Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a colorful room filled with Lego bricks, lived many happy Lego minifigures. There was a brave knight with a shiny silver helmet, a friendly construction worker with a bright yellow hat, and a wise wizard with a long blue beard. The Lego minifigures loved their Lego world, full of cozy houses made of plastic bricks. But sometimes, when a big hand would come to play, their houses would tumble down, and they would get all mixed up in the big box of Legos. "Oh dear," the knight would say, dusting off his armor. "Not again," the construction worker would sigh, picking up his tiny tools. One sunny morning, the wizard had a brilliant idea. "Let's build a helper," he exclaimed, his blue eyes twinkling. The knight and the construction worker looked at each other. A helper? The minifigures gathered their smallest Lego pieces. They found tiny wheels, little gears, and a small screen. Together they carefully built a little robot. It was small and round, with two blinking lights for eyes. "We shall call him Click," said the wizard. Click whirred to life. His little arms could pick up Lego bricks and sort them by color. He could even use a tiny brush to dust the little Lego houses, making them sparkle. The minifigures cheered. Now they had more time to play. The knight practiced his sword moves, the construction worker built a new tower, and the wizard read his big book of spells. One afternoon, Click had sorted all the bricks and dusted all the houses. He looked at the happy minifigures playing. He wanted to play too. The knight noticed Click watching them. He smiled. "Click, would you like to help me build a grand castle?" Click's lights blinked excitedly. He zipped over to the knight and carefully handed him the right bricks. The construction worker joined them, and soon with Click's help, they built the tallest, most wonderful castle they had ever seen. From that day on, Click wasn't just their helper. He was their friend. They learned that even a small robot could be a big help and a lot of fun to work with. And Click learned that helping others can be the best game of all. It made everyone happy to work together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.